Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unlocking a special guide that could change the way you think about selling, whether you're an entrepreneur, creator, or just want more influence in your life. Most people unintentionally sabotage their own sales without even realizing it. In this countdown, I'll reveal the 10 shocking habits holding you back and the anti-sabotage secrets that turn beginners into sales naturals. Ready to flip the script and score more wins? Let's dive in. Have you ever wondered why, despite your best efforts, people just aren't buying from you? Here's the truth. Most of us sabotage our own sales from the very first interaction. It's not about price, product, or competition. It's about psychology. Today, we're kicking off with a deep dive into how self-doubt leaks into your pitch and why it ruins your chances before you've even properly started. Imagine a world-class athlete who hesitates at the starting line. That split-second hesitation can lose the race. The same goes for sales. People sense uncertainty instantly. The micro shrugs, the wavering voice, the apologetic language. The core conflict? You think you're hiding your fear, but your customer feels it loud and clear. How do you break this cycle? It starts with recognizing this sabotage for what it is, a mental habit, not a fixed trait. Resolving it is simpler and more powerful than you think. Let's move to the first anti-sabotage secret that could flip this script forever. Secret 1. Sell certainty, not your solution. Sounds backward. Here's why it works. Your confidence is contagious. Think about the last time someone excitedly recommended a food spot. You wanted to try it because they felt so sure. Psychologists call this social proof by proxy. If you exude absolute conviction, people will want to believe you. Most self-sabotage comes from over-explaining features, hoping something will stick. Instead, state your offer simply, then coach your face and voice to project certainty. Example, this is the right choice for you. Watch how reactions change. Conflict resolved? Not quite. Making this shift feels risky. But as you practice, results speak for themselves. Here's anti-sabotage secret 2, the power of the pause. Are you filling every second with nervous chatter? You're not alone. Silence can feel unbearable, but in sales, it's your silent ally. Research shows prospective buyers need space to process, and lengthy talking actually signals insecurity. Consider a high-stakes chess match. The greatest players consider their move, then wait. In your next pitch, say your piece, then stop. Feel the unease, let it hang. The courage to embrace those crucial seconds makes you seem more trustworthy and in control. The result? More buyers lean in. Try it in everyday conversation and watch people fill the silence in your favor. Moving on, the illusion of too many choices. Do you offer every possible option, hoping at least one lands? Here's the problem. Choice overload paralyzes buyers. Behavioral economics tells us that fewer, clearer options lead to higher sales. Picture a bustling movie theater. Despite all the snacks, everyone leaves with the same medium popcorn. Why? Smart marketers anchor the decision. Your job isn't to offer a buffet, it's to make the right choice obvious. Restructure your offer so the best option leaps out. This isn't manipulation, it's clarity, and it crushes self-sabotage. Secret 4. Scarcity is your friend when it's authentic. Have you ever noticed you decide faster when you sense you might lose out? That's not an accident. It's human nature. Whether it's the last pair of shoes in your size or a limited time discount, scarcity speeds up action. But beware, fake scarcity breeds distrust, sabotaging future sales. Instead, be transparent about limitations. For instance, we're only taking 3 more clients this month. This sets boundaries, positions you as in demand, and prevents desperate chasing. Now, let's see how changing your posture can instantly alter the power dynamic. Let's discuss posture, literally and figuratively. The way you physically carry yourself changes how buyers perceive your entire pitch. Researchers at Harvard found that just 2 minutes of power posing increases confidence hormones and reduces stress. Now, imagine you're haggling over rent or a big contract. Slouch into your chair, you lose presence. Sit tall or lean in purposefully. You're perceived as credible and commanding. This is self-sabotage at its sneakiest, the body giving away the mind's uncertainty. Test this in your next video call or meeting. You might be amazed by the subtle but profound psychological edge it gives you. Next up, sequencing the close. Are you leading with discounts, thinking it will win people over? Rookie mistake. If you offer price drops before building desire, you look desperate and sabotage your authority. Instead, it's all about first sparking desire, painting what life looks like after they say yes, then making an offer too good to ignore. Only after you've unlocked the emotional want do you address value. Professional negotiators swear by this sequence for a reason. It disciplines your process and keeps you in control. Try restructuring your next ask and watch as resistance drops. Anti-Sabotage Secret 7. Don't run from objections, invite them. Studies from leading sales trainers show most deals are lost not because of objections, but because objections were never voiced. Next time you hear a hesitant no, reframe it as a clue. Ask, why not? Or, what's holding you back? Instead of fearing resistance, mine it for information. It uncovers hidden blocks and shows you care enough to listen. Employing this technique transforms rejection into a launchpad for deeper understanding and, often, a surprising turnaround. Let's talk about giving before you take, also known as reciprocity. Neuroscience reveals that when you offer something valuable up front, be it advice, a small freebie, or sincere recognition, your potential customer feels an unconscious debt. Add social proof, like customer testimonials or visible endorsements, and barriers drop. The conflict? Giving too much, too soon can feel needy. The solution is to provide targeted value that demonstrates expertise, then display who else trusts you. Striking this balance triggers the innate desire to reciprocate, one of the most reliable anti-sabotage levers you'll ever use. Ever noticed how great salespeople make you feel like the smart one? Secret 9. Instead of praising your own product, focus on making the buyer feel like a genius for choosing you. It's not about boasting, it's about empowerment. Retailers do this with clever pricing, like offering 3 for $10 deals that make us feel savvy. Your sales script should include phrases like, most people in your situation see this as a strategic move. The trick is to gently guide people to feel victorious, never manipulated. Try it, and see your sales conversations shift instantly. Here's a critical self-sabotage fix. Stop centering your pitch around you. Pros sabotage sales by talking endlessly about the product or their own expertise. Truth is, the hero of every sale is the customer, their needs, their struggle, their dream result. Shift your language from we provide to you get. Start with their pain points and mirror back exactly what matters to them. Suddenly you're not selling, you're solving. Watch as resistance fades and rapport deepens. This customer-first psychology is the foundation of every top closing pitch. We're almost at the finale. Tap into emotions, not just logic. Neuroscience proves that almost all buying decisions are emotion-driven, even in business. Yet, most self-saboteurs default to facts and features. The real magic happens when you connect your offer to a specific feeling: safety, hope, pride, relief, belonging. Use vivid language, relatable stories, and even appropriate humor to kindle those emotions. Suddenly, price takes a back seat. Practice feeling what your customer feels, and you'll build trust that no competitor can touch. Penultimate secret: reframe your losses. Every failed sale feels like a punch until you realize it's actually data for your comeback. Top closers keep a victory log, not of wins, but of lost deals and what they learned. Treat setbacks as scouting missions. Why did they hesitate? What objection stopped them? Each reflection prevents you from repeating the same self-sabotage. Over time, the rep who learns fastest wins most. So, next time you lose, thank the experience. Your future self and sales record will thank you back. And finally, the ultimate anti-sabotage lever: redefine your relationship with sales. The highest paid skill isn't finance, law, or code. It's the ability to enroll others in your vision. What stops most people isn't tactics. It's the belief that sales is sleazy or beneath them. Flip that script. See selling as the most human thing you can do, an act of service, connection, even creativity. When you align sales with your highest values, you start playing a new game. And the results? They'll surprise everyone, including you. Ready to step up? Thanks for watching. If you've ever caught yourself tripping up your own success, I hope today's secrets gave you the boost and clarity you need. Which anti-sabotage tip hit home for you? Or is there a story you'd like to share? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives like this. You deserve to win. See you in the next one.